This factory makes 10,000 iPhones every single hour, but what you're about to see will shock you.
Before entering, everyone must wear full protective gear. One speck of dust can ruin an entire phone. It all starts here. Thin, pure aluminum from Australia and specialized glass from Japan.
These CNC machines cut the iPhone frame with accuracy down to 5 microns, thinner than a human hair.
The frames get dipped in chemical baths to create those gorgeous colors, and each color takes different timing.
The display contains over 16 million pixels, assembled by robots in a dust-free environment. Each camera has 7 precision lenses smaller than your fingernail, all assembled by hand. The A18 chip inside contains 15 billion transistors, more than stars you can see in the night sky.
The battery is custom shaped to fit every curve of the phone, maximizing capacity.
This machine places 1,200 components per minute with perfect accuracy, faster than you can blink. The boards ride a wave of molten solder at 500 degrees, connecting thousands of points instantly.
The display marriage, where screen meets frame, must be perfect within 0.01 millimeters.
These robots apply adhesive in exact patterns. Too much and it oozes, too little and it fails.
Each iPhone has 42 different screws, all installed with precise torque by robots.
Every phone gets dunked underwater for 30 minutes. If even one drop gets inside, it fails.
They drop test random phones from 6 feet, checking if the glass and frame survive impact. Each phone goes through 200 automated tests, from camera to speakers to every button.
The brain gets installed last. Watch this.
Every camera gets individually calibrated to ensure perfect color accuracy and focus.
The Face ID system projects 30,000 invisible dots to map your face in 3 dimensions.
Even the packaging is precise. Robots place each item perfectly so your unboxing feels magical.
Human inspectors check every phone one last time, looking for defects smaller than a grain of sand.
Here's the crazy part here. This phone cost $400 to make, but sells for $1,200. From raw materials to your pocket, that's the incredible journey. Which step shocked you most? Drop a comment and smash that like button.